Hello guys, Ron here from ClickWorker Philippines. Welcome back to my tutorial and overview channel for UHRS tasks. Today I passed a head up called Query Annotation English. This task or head up is really easy. All you have to do is to answer these questions right here. So the query is good morning in Spanish, and the question will be, can you categorize this query? Of course you can. Let's search for it. Let's go to Google. Good morning. That's the translation. And from question number two, which categories best describe the above query? There will be available options here. If you wanted to know what automobile means, just hover your mouse to the question mark, and it'll give you information and example on what falls under automobiles. Okay. So which categories best describe the above query? This is going to be translation. So this is translate. So just click on this one, hit on submit. You got your answers submitted. So Lowe's Dairy, Hout, Indiana. Uh, Hold on a sec here. Can you categorize this query? Of course. Let's go to Google. Lowe's Dairy, hotel number 4. Could I have you break fix account like? Sure. Let me pull it up. All right, hold on. I need to answer someone. Let me put you guys on hold here. I'm actually working right now, so it's taking a bit. But for this one, so yes, we can categorize this. Let's see. Let me just go to. Well, I'm having a a break because I'm trying to answer to someone. For this, I would say you all should continue supporting this channel instead of reporting it. Let's try to help everyone to be effective by supporting this channel and promoting it as well. I hope you get the idea. It's always a good thing to share what you've learned instead of, putting us down by reporting whatever we upload here. It's a lot better if we continue to support each other. So, one moment, I'm almost done. I'll go back to the hit app for you all. Okay, so we're back. Lowe's Home Improvement. What is this? This is actually like a store. So this would fall under shopping. Your local Lowe's in Indiana, sir, for your next job, home improvement. Uh, Home improvement. Let's check on this one. Buying, renting, shopping. No, not shopping. I think this will fall under services. Utility. Yeah. So click submit. That's how you categorize it. So in large icons on Windows 10, yes, we can categorize this one. So this will fall under technology. Yep. So just click submit. Thank you for working on the hit apps built by WPR team. We value you. Do not do queries related to lottery do not fall under the finance, news, or other categories. Let me just type in there something. Okay, just click on OK. Next one is what's 2 plus 2? Yes, we can categorize it. So the the results are videos. So I would say this one is would fall under uh, let's see, news, no. Uh, Rating reviews, nope. Technology, no. This will fall under information search. Yep, I think so. Can you categorize this query? Real Madrid? Yes, we can. Let's go to Google search. That's a sports team. So this one will fall under sports. Okay, so I'll stop on this recording. This is really easy to work on, so you just have to be really careful and just go through the question number one, go through the question number two. There is a guideline for this. You can always pull it up for you to have a reference. If you have a dual monitor, that'll be ideal to work on these type of issues. You can always have the guidelines on the first monitor and the head app or the window that you are working on the secondary monitor. Now, if you got some funds to get an extra monitor, that'll be ideal. But anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Again, my name is Ron, and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. Please do subscribe to this channel for more video overview or tutorials of things we do on the internet. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.